Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. We're out at Axel's East working on the Avalanche project, but I took a break to show you a new code scanner that was sent to me, and we're going to check it out and see what it is. This is, recently I've been looking at code scanners online to try to get an inexpensive, maybe do-it-yourself-based two-way scanner, and coincidentally enough, a company called CGSULIT, I don't know, I'll show you. Alright, that's the company right there, however you say that, and they sent me a multi-system scanner. It's the SC-530. I'll link it in the description below, and you could buy it directly from their website. You could buy it on Amazon. Let's see, it says works on OBD1 and OBD2 vehicles. We have both of them, including the latest 2021 models. So I guess this one's slightly, I mean, it's early 23, so it's slightly not out of date, but who the hell knows. It's probably made in like 20 or 21. So it's supposed to let you do bi-directional scanning. It's supposed to let you reset your tire pressure monitors. You can bleed your ABS. Most of the bi-directional functions, but it is GM vehicles. So they do have quite a few of these. I looked at their website, and they have them for all different makes and models, but they don't have one that I found that did all vehicles like a professional, scan tool does. But homeowner based, if you have mostly GMs, like we have a fleet of GM T800s, this should fit our bill if it works as it's described to work. So we're going to take it out of the box, and we're going to see what comes with it. And then in an upcoming video, we're going to do some tire pressure monitoring sensors, a reset. We're going to do the reset without the scan tool, then we're going to do the reset with the scan tool. And we're also going to do an ABS bleed, because in Steven's Avalanche project inside, we replaced all the brake lines, so everything is empty, and we'll probably need to bleed out that ABS, so we'll see if we could get this to run that ABS pump to do a full ABS bleed. Alright, so here at the back of the truck where I got all the parts and stuff, we'll get it out of the box and we'll see what we have. A little carrying case with a handle, but I like it being in a case, this way I can stow it away. Get our scan tool out, it's in bubble wrap, and there it is right there. Nice large screen. It's got a little plastic wrap on it. We'll pull that off if I can get it with my fingers and my dirty hands. Alright, so nice screen, nice big buttons. There's your port or your interface or for your wire. It's got a USB to the thing that they used before USB-C and before that other thing, that other USB one that's kind of universal that you can flippy-floppy. This one you can't flippy-floppy. Maybe that's to update the firmware. That'd be nice. I'm sure all that's in the directions, but car guy, we don't read directions. And a nice cable, seems to be a decent length. Let's get the little wire tie off and see how long it is. Oh yeah, it's at least a 4-footer. So it looks like a 4-footer. One end goes into the tool, one end goes into your OBD1 or 2 port, and it's got an instruction booklet, a warranty card, and it's got instructions that are in English, so that's an absolute bonus to get something like this with English instructions. So that's the tool, about 150 bucks. OBD1 it says. That's pretty neat that it says OBD1. I didn't think anything really did OBD1 except for those real old little scan tools, which really weren't scan tools. They were jumpers. That was all that was in those scan tools. And I did a video, if you look back on my OBD1 videos, I did do a video on an OBD1 scan tool and what a scam it was back in the day, and everybody bought them, myself included, and they weren't really scan tools. So this tool from CGSULIT, it's a multi-system scanner, SC-530. It's a bi-directional scanner. 4-foot cord, which I like, and I already got it in a knot. Comes with instructions and a USB, so we could update the firmware, in a carrying case and a box. I'll link it in the description below, and I also have a promo code if you want to go to their website direct. I'll link their website in the description, and maybe either myself or one of my kids can get the promo code to come up right here. Put that promo code up for a discount. I don't even know what the discount is, but they did send me a discounted promo code if you like it. If you don't want to buy it yet, I don't blame you, because we didn't even try it. All I did was show it to you. We did a little unboxing. Hey, the unboxings. I hate them. But that's what we did for you. And we are going to, in an upcoming video, like I said, we'll use it to bleed an ABS system. We're going to use it to correct the tire pressure monitoring sensors, TPMS. I said it right. We got 2 vehicles to do that on, and we're going to do that, like I said, one way with the scan tool, and one way the old-fashioned way, the backdoor way without a scan tool, and we'll see what kind of results we have. If you've used this, go down in the comments below and let us know what you found. Like I said, it's only GM vehicles. They have a whole slew of these for different makes. So I guess if you're like me and really you predominantly have GM stuff, you're good. I can't use it on the Jeeps because it's only GM. But I have a lot of GM. We have quite a few Jeeps too. So we'll be able to use it for our GM stuff, and if I really like it, I might look to buy one for the Jeeps. We'll see. That's it today from Axel's Garage. Thanks for watching.